Hello, welcome to Erin Lee's Beauty. I'm Erin and today is review day. We're going to be going over all the boxes and products and things that I've been using this past week. So I wanted to get started today with the BoxyCharm products that I've been using. And I actually am wearing the Ofra palette today for my eye makeup. And also I used the highlighter. I actually really enjoyed this. It was powdery and I did have a little bit of fallout, but not too much. And they did seem to blend pretty well, which was nice. The colors were beautiful. I really loved the gold and the green the best. But there's that one. And then I had this Mud Masky eye serum. I actually enjoyed more than I thought that I would, just because it just feels really nice on my skin, and you only need a little bit. And even though this tube does has a lot of air in it, I do think it is a really good product. However, I don't think it's like $63 good, but maybe like $30-$40, but it's still a really good eye serum. And then I had this Bella Pierre liquid eyeliner, which I was excited to get, and I really liked it. I just thought I had to put it on a couple of times to be able to really see it over top of my eyeshadow. I was using the Lashy Box, so I did use the eyeliner for that, but I went over the top after I had my lashes on to touch up my eyeliner with this one, and I feel like it performed pretty well, other than, like I said, I did have to put it on 2 times. The first time it didn't really show very black, but it is a pretty good eyeliner. I like it. And then next we have this Pen Pal. I have mixed feelings about this, and I was excited about this product. I did really enjoy the lip liner, the brow pencil. The eyeliner was okay. And the highlighter I felt was not really practical because how small it is. It almost like, it's just too small to be a highlighter. Maybe inner corner, but not like an actual highlighter. And just because of that, I didn't really care for the highlighter part of it that much anyways. Okay, and those were the 4 products that I used, because the other one had retinol in it, and since I do have rosacea, I put it in for a future giveaway. The next thing is the Lashy Box lashes. I'm actually wearing them today. I only use one of the 3 because I think it's wasteful just to open all of them whenever you're going to have to throw them away eventually. So I just opened up these ones and been wearing these. And these are the Classy Lash. I've been wearing these this week. I really love about the magnetic lashes is that if you're anywhere and you do need to touch it up, or you feel like you might need to, you could just pack the eyeliner with you and a compact mirror, and you could fix it wherever you are in the bathroom, and no one would even know that you had any kind of eyelash issues. So that was really nice. It did hold for me for about 8 hours before I had any kind of real issues where I had to take them off, put more eyeliner, clean them, put them back on. But it only takes a couple minutes, so it's not like a huge deal to me. It's way easier than traditional lashes in my opinion, and I think they look pretty good. I have gotten compliments about them. So, and then also I have been using the lip gloss, which I wasn't too thrilled about the shade at first, but honestly the more that I've been using it, I do like it. My daughter has been begging me to keep it though. Me and her have both been using this product. She thinks it smells like Vaseline. I think it smells kind of like sweeter, like scent to it. I don't know, but I really like it because it is glossy and you only need a little bit. I don't put too much on it because then I feel like it makes my lips look weird with the color that it is, but just a little bit, I think it looks beautiful. And the last thing in there was a little bronzer palette that I put in for a future giveaway. And next I want to talk about the Lurella beauty subscription. And I have been using this sponge, I have been using this sponge as like a baking sponge. I haven't used the soap yet on it because I haven't washed my sponge yet for the week. But that is really nice that they put that in there. I might not even open that because I already have an open soap. That way I can just have a backup one ready to go. Now this eyeshadow palette though. I actually made a video yesterday and I didn't record the sound, and I was wearing this eyeshadow, which I wore several days this week. I felt like I definitely was reaching for the blues. Had a little bit of fallout, but these are really good blending colors, and the color payout was amazing. So I definitely would recommend this. And this palette was only like valued at $20, which is pretty affordable for an eyeshadow palette, especially with this quality. I really liked it a lot. I just don't know why it's not more out there and more heard of than what it is, but it is really good eyeshadow. And this mirror I've also been using this week, and I just have to show again because I just think it's absolutely amazing. Look how cute. Just so shiny and gold. So I have been using that. And the other thing, the lip gloss, I actually misplaced it. And then the facial sponge, I haven't got around to using it yet because it was like for a facial sponge for exfoliation. I haven't got a chance to use that. That's everything that I had for this week for try-ons. I hope everyone enjoyed this video. I'm Erin. Thanks so much for watching.